Honda Civic 1.3 liter 2004 hybrid. I'm replacing this motor mount in here. Here's the mount, the bracket. Here's the bracket. The mount's in there. So I had to take the air box off. That was two 10 millimeters. Just pop it off of this stuff. These three. Then I took the fuse box off. There's a 10 millimeter down there. And two clips back here. You just press down, press up. I did take this off. I don't think I needed to do that. But as you can see, if you move the food box, the motor mount's held on there. So here you can see the new one. It goes on like this, down in there. So you can see down in there, there's that mount, and then the other one is over here. I had to use like, oh, you can't even see it. So that one is not it. That's the bracket, but it's back there. It's way down in there. So I had to use like a bunch of extensions and swivels, and you have to use a 3/8. Like you can use a 1 inch up here, but like down in there you need a 3/8 to get past that little, like you put it in right in there. There's my finger. Yeah, so the 1 inch doesn't fit through there. So at least on the top or on the bottom you need 3/8 with a 17. These are all 17s. So I've got all of them loosened right now, except for these two. I don't think I'm gonna try to take it off, replace them out without taking the bracket out. I don't know if I can do that, but I'm gonna try. So right now I'm taking out this bolt that goes through the mount, and then hopefully I'll be able to shimmy the mount out of there somehow, like through here, I guess. I can pull it out that way. I don't know. Set the new one in, so let's see how this goes. What I got here going on, it's like I said, it's in between that spot. I think I've completely gotten the fold out at this point. I'm just gonna lift up. You can see I got a whole situation here. Yeah, that's a 17 swivel, and I had all these extensions. At first, to break it loose, I had to use a 1/2 inch on the top, just, I don't know, stronger. And, yeah, it's way out. It's out. Don't drop it. All right. This one, loosen it some more. This one is coming out. Go in here. There we go. Yeah. Use the same one. I think it's out. I'm still waiting. There we go. And this guy doesn't want to move. Hold on. Oh, come on. That's no good. Come on. Huh. Hold on. Okay, the long bolt. Where is it? Where'd it go? This bolt finally came out of the mount of the bracket and the motor mount. So I realized I was trying to take this out last, and what I should have done was I forgot about this guy up here, because I was like so focused on trying to pull him out, and I was like, okay, maybe I'll tighten this back down and see if this will come out, and that didn't work. And I was like, then I was trying to put that back one back in, thinking, well, if I tighten that one down, maybe it'll come out. No, I couldn't even really get to that to put it back on. It was hard. So then I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I read this one. So I tightened that one back down, and this finally came all the way out. Now let's see if I can get this motor mount out of there without removing the bracket. Woohoo! It's out. Look at this piece of shit. This is disaster zone. That is why 6 years ago when I bought this car, it vibrates so much. And especially when you start it. If you start going, accelerating. Oh my god, it's so bad. And these just fell off right when I took it out. So I just used a little, where is it? Little pry bar. Stuck it in there. Came up. Just be careful with the fuse box so you don't like pop anything off of that. Pried it up. Wiggled it out. It's out. You can put the new one in. Ah, ah.